Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you what you can check when your Samsung Smart TV not connect to Wi-Fi network. Okay, my first suggestion, you need to reset the power supply to the Wi-Fi network and the TV at the same time for about 1 minute or more. You will find out on your router. You will find the power on off button here. Now just press it and you will find the power supply light will disappear. Okay, just press it to power off, and then you need to disconnect the power socket. Now I turn off the power supply to the router, and this time you need to turn off your TV with remote control. And just wait a few seconds, and then we disconnect the power supply to the TVs. Okay, after 1 minute later, and we will try to check again. Okay, after 1 minute, now you need to power supply back both device. And now turn on your Wi-Fi router. And we just leave the TV for a while to power supply go through it, and now turn the TV on. This time you need to press the setting on your remote control and try to search for the Wi-Fi network. Go to connection, press the right button, select network, open network setting, okay, select wireless. As I already joined, and now you try to scan for your Wi-Fi network again. Okay, and you need also check your router Wi-Fi with other device. For example, use your smartphone to check, scan for the Wi-Fi. Is the Wi-Fi still available for other device or not? So if not available for other device, so that means the problem come from your router, it's not from the TV. Okay, and if the router still okay, now we going on to the next step. You need to reset the network. For example, now I go to the home screen again. We start to press setting on your remote control. Go to connection, network, and here you will find the word reset network. Okay, select on it. And confirm to reset. Now it's resetting the network. Okay, the network has been reset, and we just press network setting, or we just press close and go to open network setting once more time. This time you can try to find out once again for your Wi-Fi network, and if you found the network on your screen, just select on it and try to connect with the password to your TV. Or you can go to this refresh button for a few times if there are still the networks not show up. Okay, and if this step not help, now I give you the final solution. Just press setting on your remote control, go to general and privacy. This time you need to go all the way down to find the factory data reset, select on it and input the pin to your TV. It's the built-in factory pin 0004 time. Okay, so if you need to reset it, just press 000 on your remote control. For example, when you press, you will see the pin is filled to the TV. So now I don't want to reset my TV. And this time you need to reset up your TV again from the factory setting. Okay, before you perform this factory data reset, you need to make sure that the problem is with your TV, it's not with the router. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of what you can check when your Samsung Smart TV is not connected to a Wi-Fi network. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.